Hi, I'm Alexander Anok, and on this channel I test and verify legit ways to make money online before I expose them to you. And that was, by the way, the same way the devil that doesn't want you to progress will tempt you not to like, share, and subscribe to this place so that you always get updated. So don't allow anything to make you skip my videos. Let's dive into it. Master Anok here, and this is do090.com, the only website you can buy data so cheap that you will not like to use your bank app or pay or any other app you use to purchase your data, because it's so cheap and it's valid for 1 month, all valid for 1 month, unlike your data which you buy from a network provider, which in the next 1 hour, sometimes 1 day, some cases 7 days, 3 days, 2 days. In fact, the limitations are much. Sometimes you even buy the data without knowing that there is a limitation, and you get surprised, wow, what happened to my data? You will now see your data has expired. No, this has no damn things like that. On do090.com, remember the site do090.com. This website or app, the mobile app is available on Play Store, on Google Play Store. You download the app to your smartphone or you visit the website. They allow you buy data very cheap at the starting price of 200 naira, okay, 1 gig, and airtime at the starting price of 95 naira, that's per airtime. Okay, let me scroll down here. If you want to watch video on how it works, you click on how it works. Observe my clicks. Let me tap there again. Observe my clicks. That's how it works there. It will pop out this video and you play the video and watch everything. They have a WhatsApp number, they have a live chat. They are always active to answer your questions, not like any other platform where you make you beat around the bush. And I'll be making more videos on how to deposit and how to purchase data. It's very simple. I'll even take you to the dashboard and give you a brief recap. But a new video which will be covering everything will come. Now if you observe here, the data is very cheap, and it's the next page. They will be paying you refer and earn 5,000 naira, and you will get paid while others buy data. This is not a pyramid scheme or a Ponzi scheme. Don't bear that at the back of your mind. This is a place where if you buy data and you know that this site is working well for you, are buying data so cheap, then why keep it for yourself? Why not tell your friend, and why he or she is buying data, you'll be making 50 naira from all the purchases the person is buying, all the transactions the person is doing on the app. So just tell others and make money, okay? And your earnings you can withdraw, okay? You can read it on the page. Withdraw. How can I earn? You can also click there and watch the video, or you can click on start earning. Now everything is fast and fully automated, as you can see. This is not a place where you submit that, hey, I want the data, or you chat with somebody, please, I want data. The person will not say, oh, wait, I'll be doing it, I'll send you your data. No. All you need to do is input your phone number, request your airtime, the money will be deducted from your balance, and you will be credited your data bundle in less than 30 seconds, okay? And in case of any issue, you have any questions, they are human agents, not bots. The data we say is automated by bots, but the people you'll be chatting with are real humans. Live chat. You type here to chat, click here to chat with them. They help you out with any issue you have. All you have to do, type here and start chatting with them, and they will reply you, okay? As fast as that. So how to deposit? Let me give you a fast recap now. Let's go to get started. We don't want to chat with them. And let's get started. You can see the steps. Let me talk about this slide. Sign up or log in your dashboard with just your email, then click on the fund button to add funds to your balance. Minimum funding is 200 naira with bank transfer, USSD, ATM card, or more. Your deposit will reflect automatically. Are you hearing that? Just 200 naira if you are those who are scared of testing. But Master Anok is telling you here that you have nothing to be scared of right now, because I normally test before I bring them to you, okay? So this particular app is for your data, so you have nothing to be scared of by purchasing data. But if you are risk secure, then you can start with 200 and see whether your data will come, and then with time, I know you trust the platform. Everything has to do with trust, right? Now step 2, to buy airtime or data, click on buy button on your dashboard. All transactions will auto reflect in your transaction history on your dashboard. If you need any help or assistance, don't fail to contact real human agents. We will help you out. You can see it is written there, so you can hear that. Just tap on buy and make your transaction, select data or airtime and purchase. Step 3, you can also refer and earn up to 5,000 naira while others buy airtime or data. Click on earn on your dashboard to copy your referral link or promo code. Anyone that joins via your referral link or promo code gets 500. If the person refuses to join via referral link, the person gets 0 naira. So this made it easier for affiliate marketers to start earning. People like me, if I tell you to sign up with Master Anok, now most of you will dodge and run and go and sign up without it. Go and sign up without it. You see that nothing will be created until you use Master Anok, which is the name of my channel. No white, no space. You understand? Don't put any space. Just type Master Anok, and then you send it. You will see that you'll be created 500 naira, which you can use to buy data for free. Okay? So that comes free of charge for you. So even though you have signed up already, you can apply the promo code Master Anok. If you have not signed up, my referral link is in the description below, which you can follow to sign up. Now here you can see FAQs. These are called frequently asked questions. Let me close this one. These are listed frequently asked questions, or asked questions that they think you might really have on the back of your mind. You can go over them by clicking here and reading them to see if they best answer your questions. Okay, so that's that. Send that. Now this is the live chat. If you have further questions that is not in the list, so I believe we have covered a brief recap on Do 090. I've told you that I'll be releasing more videos very soon about how and all the steps to get started on this platform. Okay, so I'll be releasing more video, but if you really want to get started and you're a new user, like they told you earlier down here, all you need is to sign up with your email, and that email you'll be using, make sure it's logged in on a device which you get access to, because an OTP code will be sent to that email. You understand? The OTP code sent to the email, all you have to do is input the OTP code and you click on access your account, and you will log in automatically, nothing else. Then you can start buying your data. Now if someone tries to log in from another device, same thing. And after logging in, you need to set a PIN if you are a new user. This PIN is a kind of authorization code that anytime you want to purchase your data, it will allow you to proceed. If you have been using OPay, Bank app, PalmPay, any other app that you might use to make transfer with money, you will know that normally you should set a PIN, so it's nothing new. Okay, that PIN is your authorization code, so keep it private. Okay, that PIN, once you input it, your money will be transacted. It's between you and your app. Don't share with anyone else. So the PIN will be used to purchase your data. So let's get started. So get started and you go to this dashboard. As you can see, I've already made the purchase and I have funds here. In my next video, I'll cover more and more. So I love you all. You can pause this video and read more about this referral and earn on this page. Okay, you can read more about it. In my next video, I'll be covering everything step by step, guys. Stop and like, share, and subscribe, follow anywhere you are seeing this video from. Why do you want to do that? Because I keep posting from time to time on every legit way to make money online, on every legit way to make the online source easier for you, minimize your expenses on your online gadgets. Like I've just exposed to you. Now you never knew that this exists. I just exposed this to you, legit and working. Okay, so you want to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell, so anytime I drop another video you hear it. Follow, turn on notifications too. Okay, like, please, because liking helps this channel grow, helps this video get to others. Follow me at Master Anok on all social media. If you have a question, drop in the comments, or you go to at Master Anok on all social media networks: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok. You just follow me and tell me what is on your mind, and I'll help you out. Okay, I love you all. Bye bye.